Welcome to another exciting episode where we delve into the power of data in transforming maintenance operations. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep, and today we will explore how leveraging data can help businesses shift from reactive to proactive maintenance strategies, optimize operations, and stay competitive in this increasingly data-driven world. We'll discuss the crucial role of quality data, predictive maintenance, and condition monitoring. Also, we'll touch upon the significant benefits of implementing these strategies. So, are you ready to discover how data can revolutionize your maintenance operations? Let's get started. Let's dive into the fascinating world of data and how it can significantly enhance maintenance operations. In this era of information overload, it's surprising that many of our maintenance-related decisions are not based on quality data. Some manufacturers are still operating in a reactive maintenance mode, responding to equipment only when it fails to work properly. Others rely on the intuition of experienced maintenance managers and technicians who are working from their tribal knowledge. But the reality is, our marketplace is becoming increasingly competitive. To keep up with innovative businesses, we need to rely heavily on accurate data to optimize various aspects of maintenance operations. This means a rapid shift from reactive maintenance to proactive and predictive maintenance strategies, which must be built on accurate, high-quality data and employ sophisticated data analytic tools. Let's start with the foundation of it all: relevant, quality data. You've probably heard the saying, garbage in, garbage out. This applies perfectly to leveraging data to enhance maintenance operations. Even the most advanced data analytic tools are useless if the information they are analyzing is incomplete or incorrect. So how can we improve the accuracy and quality of data? Two ways. First, modern sensors and Internet of Things, or IoT devices, can gather real-time information about the condition of equipment. Second, maintenance technicians must understand the importance of creating clear records of any work they have performed on particular assets as they complete work orders. This often requires training and culture change, which can be the most challenging part of collecting quality data. The data collected should include equipment performance metrics, historical maintenance records, sensor readings, and operational data. All of these can enable maintenance teams to monitor asset performance and anticipate potential issues. Now let's talk about the gold standard of maintenance: predictive maintenance. Reactive maintenance has been the starting place for maintenance departments. Many have then transitioned a proportion of their time to preventive maintenance, which is based on time or usage records of particular pieces of equipment. But preventive maintenance may not catch everything that indicates potential failures. Predictive maintenance, on the other hand, uses sensors, historical data, and advanced analytics to predict when equipment is likely to fail and schedule maintenance just in time. It is considered the gold standard today. Here are the three key components of predictive maintenance. First, we have condition monitoring. Predictive maintenance tools such as IoT sensors can immediately alert maintenance teams if a key measurement falls out of an acceptable range. Real-time data on vibration, temperature, water levels, humidity, and other relevant factors that could indicate a problem are continuously monitored. This condition monitoring enables timely interventions and adjustments to prevent failures and ensure optimal equipment performance. Second, we have data analytics. Data analytics tools play a crucial role in extracting valuable insights from the collected data. Advanced algorithms and machine learning models can identify patterns, correlations, and anomalies in the data that might not be immediately apparent to human operators. These insights can help maintenance teams make informed decisions and prioritize tasks effectively. And third, we have maintenance schedules. Both condition monitoring and data analytics lead to better scheduling of repairs or replacements, minimizing downtime and reducing the likelihood of costly emergency repairs. These predictive maintenance schedules are now responding to the actual condition of the equipment and not based on a more arbitrary schedule of time or usage. This prevents unnecessary maintenance and ensures that resources are allocated where they are needed the most. So what are the benefits of leveraging data in operations? The most significant benefit is reducing unplanned downtime. With the average hour of downtime costing manufacturers $260,000 and the average number at 800 hours per year, this can be a significant savings. Using data to predict potential failures and taking preemptive action means that organizations can minimize unplanned downtime and keep operations running smoothly. This leads to increased productivity and customer satisfaction. Another key benefit is optimizing spare parts inventory. By embracing data analytics, organizations can reduce costs of carrying too much inventory while ensuring they have key parts on hand. By analyzing historical maintenance data and failure patterns, manufacturers can identify which parts are most frequently needed and ensure they have an adequate supply on hand. This prevents delays in repairs due to unavailable parts or spending exorbitant amounts on overnight shipping. Remember, data-driven maintenance is not a one-time endeavor. It requires continuous monitoring, analysis, and refinement as information is collected and markets change. Organizations should regularly review their data collection processes, analysis methods, and maintenance strategies to adapt to changing conditions, competitor behavior, and new technologies. In conclusion, incorporating data-driven strategies into maintenance operations can lead to significant improvements in efficiency, cost savings, and equipment reliability. By leveraging data analytics, predictive maintenance, and condition monitoring, organizations can transition from reactive to proactive maintenance approaches. This shift not only reduces downtime and unexpected costs, but also enhances overall operational performance. As technology continues to advance, embracing data-driven maintenance will become increasingly vital for organizations aiming to remain competitive in their respective industries. And that brings us to the end of this episode. Thank you for joining us today. We've explored the power of data in transforming maintenance operations, the importance of quality data, predictive maintenance, and condition monitoring. If you found this information valuable, consider subscribing to our channel for more insights. To learn more about how UpKeep can help your organization leverage data for more efficient maintenance operations, visit us at upkeep.com. Until next time, keep learning and stay data-driven.